Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply, and Keith from the Golden Horseshow Woodturning Club is stopping by this morning to talk about a banjo for a lathe. Now, I thought this would be a great opportunity to ambush him, do some gotcha journalism, and just talk to him about woodturning clubs and what they do and what they are, and whether, if you're not part of a club, you should join one. So yeah, I'll wait for him to come and then we'll do some questions for him. So I'm here with Keith Dunham from the Golden Horseshoe Woodturning Club, or is it Guild? Club. Okay. Now I didn't tell you I was going to ask this, but if you had to give your top 3 reasons to join a club, what would you say they would be?
The knowledge transfer between everybody. It has helped me immensely. I've been doing this for 6 years, and I've got guys that have been doing it for 40 years teaching me. Yeah. So their knowledge is invaluable. Yeah. I think the camaraderie that you get, just being able to go out and talk to different people about different things. Yep. And a third one, that's the tough one, is a third one. Yeah. It's the chance to give back. Like, because I've been doing it for 6 years, but I can go in and help somebody who's been doing it for less than a year. Right. Because the knowledge I got from my mentor is now being passed on. So it's always kind of paying it forward, I guess, is a best way to say it. That's very cool.
So Keith, for guys that have never been to a club meeting before, what would happen at a typical club meeting for you guys? I know you have 2 different kinds.
So with us meeting twice a month, our first meeting is a hands-on meeting. We will bring out 7 or 8 of our lathes. Yep. We have 3 of them being demonstrated. Guys would be doing little projects. Right. But it's a hands-on, being that if a member wants to try it, right, they're more than welcome. They're invited to give it a shot, because the person there knows what they're doing, and they will keep everybody mainly safe. Cool. And that. On the other side, there are some experienced turners teaching the brand new turners how to use all the different tools, how to make some different cuts, so that they're not, again, scared of the lathe itself, because when you're dealing with 1500 RPM and a chunk of wood,
you gotta be careful.
Yes, be very careful. Our second meeting of the month is more of a demonstration, where sometimes we bring in some well-known local demonstrators, and they will come in and demonstrate turning a bowl, a box, whatever their specialty of the day happens to be. Right. We will be there watching, available to ask questions. For that meeting, we also have a President's Challenge every month, where I will pick something, whether it be a kitchen utensil, a bowl, live edge, epoxy, many different things that we can turn. We'll have the members bring in theirs. We also have a show and tell, where they will bring something in, whether they're proud of it, and say, hey, look what I've done. Or if there was a problem or an issue with it, I need some help with this. This is what I've done. They'll walk through the steps. Very cool. So our guild is a teaching guild, and that is what we strive for, is to teach everybody.
That's really cool. And that would probably be true of most woodworking clubs, I would think.
As far as everyone that I have been to seems to be the experienced people want to share the knowledge and teach the new people. It's a craft that should never ever go away. Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Keith. Really appreciate your thoughts, and thanks for coming down. Not a problem.
I was just looking at what Keith said there, and I think he is right on. You join a club. The thing about woodworking clubs in general, or woodworking in general, people don't really gatekeep information. You join a club for 2 different reasons. 1, to learn something, and 2, to share something. So yeah, I highly encourage you guys, if you're not already part of a woodworking club of some kind, to get involved in one, because you will guaranteed learn a lot, and meet a lot of really cool people. So if anybody else has any questions, you can email me at info@stockroomsupply.com or just comment on the video. Thanks for watching.